personality, your stay here is a stay. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Staying here is a stay. Okay. So that's the reason.
I will not go in arrest. I will not go in arrest.
If both of you or your friend will be settled, so the only settlement, because the case was filed before the Court of Justice, so there is a little bit money involved.
Yes.
Upon withdrawing the case. So the case cannot be withdrawn without any money involved. So there is money involved. If your interest is to withdraw the case filed before the Court of Justice, so there is money involved. And that money involved, we are going to talk.
Yeah, I don't know how much, because I can call my son. I can call my son, and I ask my son, I need money, you can send money, but I don't know how much. I don't know. That's my first time. I don't know how much.
Still, you know, my friend, then shall I call you my friend?
Yes, okay.
Okay. You know, Higala, still, if this case will not be settled, still, your stay here will be a stay, but still, you will pay.
Yes.
And our government will penalize you. Because that's, but doing so needs money.
How much? Pila?
Pila pa daw magasto.
You know,
Pero sa mo na mo kaya na kani o kuan. Sa mo na ni mo hatag.
o kasi tulmen mo siya.
Okay, ikaw may mo.
Ako may mo
Settle
facilitate
sa
ito.
fiscal. Ikaw may mo ito.
It's okay for you? $5,000?
$5,000?
Yeah?
How many peso?
Pila na? Pila dalang euro na ba dahil
I come from
Yeah.
German. I don't
Euro
know.
dahil
In euro. In euro.
Euro?
Dalang mo ang
If
Euro is
it's only
bigger than the 61.
less than 3,000, mga more than 3,000 euro.
3,000 euro?
Yeah.
61.
equivalent to
61. 180,000.
180,000, 3,000 euro, something like that.
Also 3,000 euro?
Euro.
And 1 euro is 60.
60.
And
What?
3,000, it's 180,000.
Because you came from Germany, therefore the court will ask your money. So 3,000 plus documentary for the paperworks. That it's entirely given to the complainant, to the NBI who prepared this case. Your money has a big value here in the Philippines.
Yes.
So that is the very minimum computation, because you are a German national, simply because the court will ask 3,000 euro. If you are an American, you will ask also $3,000. If you are an American national, but you are a German national. Not that the equivalent here in the Philippine money is the basis for the computation. Only because you came from Germany, so you are German national.
Yes.
So your money